A chair, that's it. Yep. Yep, yep. Little crumbs. Yeah. That's it.
I've got good feet before they go to bed.
Yeah.
Like kicking on your veranda here tonight.
Okay.
I reckon they're in the trees up there.
In where? In those?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
That's probably where it was.
I think probably Joey's was